Madlang kapuso, oras na para sa #1 game show sa buong bansa, ang Family Feud.
Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, welcome to an exciting and friendly competition. I'm your host Rency, and we are about to play the classic game, Family Feud. Alright, here's the game's work. We survey 100 people and the top answer are on the board. Each family will take the turn sending one member to the podium to answer the questions. The goal is to guess the most popular answer, and the family with the most points at the end wins the game. The first person to buzz in gets the chance to answer the questions, and if their answer is on the board, they earn points. If not, the other family has the opportunity to steal. Remember, be quick and strategic. We have the first family, the OA family. Let's meet them! Okay, OA family, do you have a cheer for us?
Yes!
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Oe, oe, aura ka ba? Good!
And on another side, please welcome the Nonchalant family! Give them a round of applause! Okay, guys, do you have any cheer for us? Yes. Aura kami. Now, for the first round, let's have Kenneth and Eliza. Woo! Okay, Kenneth, are you ready?
Yes!
You. Okay. Nonchalant ka siya. So, for our first questions, we have 7 questions on the board. Okay, first question. Name something people might associate with the word of entrepreneurship. Ready, set, go! Okay, Kenneth?
Cooperative ventures.
Okay, let's see if nandun ang cooperative ventures. Let's see on the board. Services. You got 9 points. Okay, let's see for Eliza. Okay, here's the questions. Name something my people associate with the word of entrepreneurship. Leadership. Okay, leadership. Let's see on the board. Services. Okay, Kenneth. You got the answer. Do you want to play or pass?
Play!
Okay, Ses. Name something people might associate with the word of entrepreneur.
Searching for business opportunities.
Searching for business opportunity. Are you on the board? Services. Yes, that is correct. How about you, Kenneth? Name something people might associate with the word of entrepreneur. 5, 4, 3.
Process of entrepreneurship.
Process of entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it is as a survey. Services. Okay, that's correct, Kenneth. How about you, Princess? Name something that might associate with the word of entrepreneur. 5, 4, 3.
Leadership.
Leadership. Let's see if nandun ang leadership. Services!
Okay lang.
Oh,
Nice
sorry.
try, nice try.
Wala ang leadership. Okay, Team OA, meron na kayong 1 mistake. You have 2 na lang para makuha ang jackpot round. So, Kenneth, balik tayo sa'yo.
Okay.
Name something that people might associate with the world of entrepreneur.
Adaptability.
Adaptability. Let's see if nasa survey, nasa board yan. Services! Okay, sorry, but wala. Okay, OA family, you have 2 mistake. Isa na lang. Okay, let's go back to you, Sas. Name something my people associate with the world of entrepreneur. 5, 4.
Determination.
Okay, let's see if it is on the board. Services? Okay, Team OA. Nakakommit na kayo ng 3 mistake. Bawi kayo next round.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? Okay, Nonchalant team, please be ready. Pwede na kayo mag-usap? Okay, Nonchalant family. Kailangan nyo lang ng isang tamang sagot para makuha ang puntos nila. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Name something that people might associate with the world of entrepreneur. Okay, Kla?
Risk-taking.
Risk-taking. You.
Leadership.
Leadership. Oh, what's your final answer? Your final answer. Gusap ba ito?
Leadership.
Okay, leadership. Let's see on the board. Services? Okay, nice try, nonchalant team. But ang puntos ay mapupunta sa OA family. Now, for the second round, let's have Princess and Clark. Questions. Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Clark.
Land.
Okay, Lan. Let's see if it is on the board. Services? Want to play or pass?
Play.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, let's go to you, Eliza. Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ba't di ka sumagot? Okay, Eliza, naubusan ka ng oras and you have 1 mistake. Okay, go to you, Kla. Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 5, 4.
Capital.
Okay, capital. Let's see on the board. Services? Okay, you have 13 points for capital. Okay, let's go back to you. Let's go back to you, Eliza. Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 5.
Labor.
Labor. Let's see on the board. Services? Ching. Ching. Okay, you have 32 points for labor. Okay, nonchalant family. Meron na lang kayong isang hinahanap na tamang sagot. Okay, Clark. Nasa iyo ang pag-asa. Okay? Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 5.
Creativity.
Creativity. Let's see if it is on the board. Services? So, meron na kayong dalawang mistake. And, okay, name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. 5.
Growth.
4. Growth? Okay, let's see if it is on the board. Services? Sorry guys, but di nyo nakuha ang points. Now, let's go back to the OA family. So, OA family, pwede na kayong mag-usap? Okay, OA family, you just need one answer to get the all points of nonchalant family. So, here's the question. Name a factor of production in entrepreneurship. Sas.
Entrepreneurship.
Oh, you?
Final answer?
Okay, what's your final answer?
Entrepreneurship.
Okay, entrepreneurship. Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
Okay, entrepreneurship. Let's see if it is on the board. Services? Okay, family! Maglalaro sa final round!
Hi everyone, I'm Tito Kenneth and I'm here to teach you and to guide you how to start a small business. But bago ang lahat, ipapanood ko muna sa inyo yung mga struggle, yung mga kinakaharap ng mga kapwa natin na nagtatrabaho ng 8 hours sa isang araw. Ay, trabaho na naman. Gising sa umaga, gagayak para sa trabaho, magtatrabaho buong araw, uuwi sa gabi para lang kumain at matulog. Pagod. Tama na ang pagod. Tama na ang inda. Tama na ang pagtatrabaho ng sobra. Mayroong solusyon dyan. Kung kaya mong bitawan ang trabaho mo, gawin mo. Magsimula ka ng small business. Eto, tutulungan kita kung paano ka magsisimula. Siguradong kaya mo. Mag-isip ka ng business na tingin mong swak at papatok sa taong bayan. Pero bago ang lahat, dapat alam mo ang mga factors at mga kailangan sa isang business. Una, market. Dapat alam mo ang target market mo. Alam at kilala mo ang competitors mo at ang quality ng product mo at ang information ng product na binebenta mo. Pangalawa, individual interest. Dapat alam mo ang mga gagawin mong hakbang sa iyong business as individual businessman. Pangatlo, capital. Dapat may enough capital ka para sa pagsisimula mo ng iyong business. Next is skills and supplies. Sa skills, dapat meron kang skills na pang businessman. Dapat alam mo ang galaw sa loob ng iyong business. And for the supplies, dapat meron kang enough supplies para sa future purposes. Ano pa po ang mga sunod na hakbang? Meron din manpower. Dapat marunong ka magpahalaga sa mga trabahador mo. Kilalanin mo sila. Tratuhin mo ng tama. Lastly, technology. Dapat alam mo kung paano mo i-improve ang iyong product at ang iyong business na meron ka gamit ang technology. Thank you po sa tips, Tito Kenneth. May mga natutunan po ako ngayon at gagamitin ko na po ang ipon ko para magsimula ng small business. Tanong ko sa iyo, gusto mo ba maging employee na lang kaysa maging business owner? Baka ito na ang sign para mag-resign ka at gamitin mo ang ipon mo sa iyong business.
Now, for the final round, the pass money round. Two members of the family will come forward. I ask both questions. Give me your best answer quickly, and let's see if you can reach 200 points for the grand victory. Okay, Kenneth will be the first representative of the OA family. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready?
I'm ready. Woo!
Okay. You have 15 seconds to answer the questions, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. First question. Name one purpose of cooperative.
Provide goods and services.
Name a reason why businesses fail.
Pass.
Name the function and roles of an entrepreneur in society.
They are promoters.
Okay, balik tayo. Name a reason why business fail.
Lack of experience.
Okay. Okay, for the first question. Name one purpose of cooperative. Let's see if it is on the board. Your answer provides goods and service. Let's see if it is on the board. Services. Oh, you have 13 points. Woo! Next, name a reason why small businesses fail. Answer. Okay, lack of experience. Let's see if it is on the board. Services. Oh, you got the top answer! Woo! Thank you. Last questions. Name the function and roles of entrepreneurs in society. They are promoters. Let's see if it is on the board. Services. Yes! It is top answer! Oh, you got two top answer.
100.
Okay, you got 126 points. Okay, now we got Cess here. So you need 74 points to get the jackpot crown. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first question. Name one purpose of cooperative.
Production and marketing.
Name a reason why businesses fail.
Lack of money.
Name the function and roles of entrepreneur in society.
They are partners.
Okay. Cut. Okay, now let's see on the board. If nakuha nyo ang jackpot round. First question. Name one purpose of cooperative, and your answer is production and marketing. Services? You have 17 points. Okay, next. Second question. Name a reason why small business fail. Your answer is lack of money. Okay, let's see if it is on the board. Services? You got 29 points. Next, name the function and roles of entrepreneur in society. Your answer is they are partnership. Let's see kung nakuha nyo ang 200 points. They are partnership. Services? You got 29 points. Oh, congratulations! You win the 200 points! Mag-uwi kayo ng 1 million pesos! Congratulations to our winners, the OA family. You play an outstanding game. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until the next time, this is Rancy, your host.
What makes someone an entrepreneur? Am I an entrepreneur? Are you an entrepreneur? And what did I learn to the subject entrepreneurship? An entrepreneur is someone who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of the business or enterprise. Entrepreneurs are change agents. They see needs, wants, and problems as challenges to be overcome, and they know they are the people who can help to find solution and meet the needs. Entrepreneurs know what they have unique skills and talents that can make a difference in the world. They know that they can use their skills and talent to meet needs, do something in a new and add beauty or solve a problem. Entrepreneurs have a vision for what they can contribute to the world and are willing to do the work required to plan and to launch a business or social enterprise to achieve the goal. When they reach their goals, entrepreneurs create jobs for themselves and sometimes even for other people. Sometimes entrepreneurs even change the world.
Magandang araw. Narito ang balita para sa araw na ito. Marami sa atin ang gustong magtayo ng kanilang negosyo. Ngunit bago sumabak dito, narito ang ilang mahalagang aral na dapat tandaan. Mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng malinaw na plano. Ayon sa mga eksperto, ang isang detalyadong business plan ay nagbibigay ng direksyon at layunin sa negosyo. Mahalaga ang pagkilala sa merkado. Kailangan nating alamin ang pangangailangan at kagustuhan ng ating target na customers. Dapat tayong maging handa sa mga pagsubok. Kailangan natin ng determinasyon at kakayahang mag-adjust sa mga pagbabago. Huwag kalimutang mag-innovate. Sa isang mabilis na pagbabago sa mundo, ang pagiging innovative ay isang susi sa tagumpay. Kailangan nating patuloy na mag-isip ng mga unique na idea at solusyon upang lalong mapabuti ang ating produkto. At panghuli, huwag nating kalimutang pahalagahan ng ating mga trabahador. Dapat nating siguraduhin na sila ay motivated at may tamang suporta mula sa mga namumuno. Ako si Princess Angeles at ito ang aking balita. Maraming salamat po.
Magandang araw, ako si Clarissa Trilliana at narito naman ang kaibahan ng isang businessman at isang entrepreneur. Ang businessman ay isang individual na nagnenegosyo gamit ang mga tradisyonal na pamamaraan at umiiral ng mga modelo ng negosyo. Madalas silang pumapasok sa mga industriya kung saan alam na nila ang kalakaran at umiikot sa mga produktong subok na sa merkado. Layunin ng businessman na kumita at palaguin ang negosyo sa pamamagitan ng mga established na mga paraan. Samantala, ang entrepreneur naman ay isang taong nagtataya ng bagong negosyo mula sa mga inobatibong ideya at mga produkto. Sila ay nag-eeksperimento at kadalasan ay handang mag-take ng risk para sa mga bagay na bago at kakaiba sa merkado. Ang layunin ng entrepreneur ay hindi lamang kumita, kundi magdala rin ng pagbabago at lumikha ng halaga mula sa kanilang mga natatanging konsepto. Balik sa inyo.
Magandang araw mga kapuso. Ako ang inyong Kuya Ross na magbibigay sa inyo ng mga trivia sa mga trending na balita. Alam niyo ba na madami ang naging role ng isang entrepreneur sa ating kinatayuan ngayon? Isa lamang dyan ang pagpapalaganap ng maraming trabaho, kita at magandang serbisyo sa ating bansa. At nag-aagaw din ang isang entrepreneurship na mabilis at matibay